Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Matiha Usman. I am here to teach you Quran in very basic and easy way. So without further ado, let's get started. In today's lesson, we will revise lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 for your practice. Otherwise, you will forget them. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our first letter is Alif. 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 Read it with me. Alif. Alif. Our first letter is Alif. Ba. Our second letter is Ba. 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 And Ba has one dot below it. Read after me. Ba. Ba. Our third letter is Ta. 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 And Ta has two dots on top. Ta. Read it with me. Ta. Ta. Our next letter is Sa. Sa. Read softly. Sa. 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 Read after me. Sa. Our fifth letter is Jeem. 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 And Jeem has one dot inside. Read after me. Jeem. Jeem. Our next letter is Ha. Read again with me. Ha. 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 And Ha has no dot. Read softly. Ha. Ha. Our next letter is Kha. 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 Please read after me. Kha. And Kha has one dot on top. Ha. Please remember, Ha has a clear sound and Ha has a scratchy sound. Read again with me. Ha with clear sound. Kha with scratchy sound. Kha. Our next letter is Dal. 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 Please read after me. Dal. Dal. Our next letter is Zal. Zal. Zal, Zal. Zal is soft letter. That's why read softly. Zal, Zal, Zal. Our last letter is Ra. Ra, Ra, Ra. Ra has full sound. Do not pronounce it with thin sound. Please read after me. Ra, Ra, Ra. Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 or 4 times in a day, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lesson, please ask in comment section below, and I will give you answers as soon as possible, inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.